Class, welcome back to your computer online class. Today we are going to talk about chapter 7, which is advanced features of HTML. In this chapter we will talk and we will discuss about the different types of features of HTML. As I told you, HTML stands for hypertext markup language and it is mainly used for creating web pages. Web page को create करने के लिए हम HTML का use करते हैं, which is work with two tools, the HTML editor and the web browser. Is that clear? Now, here we are going to talk about the different features of HTML. The first feature of HTML which we are going to talk, that is list. As we all know, name is clear that a list, किसी भी चीज़ को जब हम sequentially arrange करते हैं या we arrange the any information, that is known as list. List is the most efficient way to presenting information in a precise manner. Whether is the minutes in for meeting, लिस्ट ऑफ आइटम्स, द टेबल कंटेंट्स ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट, किसी भी तरह का इंफॉर्मेशन जब हम उसको एक प्रिसाइज मैनर में एफिशिएंट वे में प्रेजेंट करने के लिए उसे हम क्या करते हैं, प्रिसाइज मैनर में कलेक्ट करते हैं. सो दिस इज नोन एज लिस्ट. इन HTML there are two types of list. Means to say, HTML supports two types of list, ordered and unordered list. An ordered list is used when the items are not to be displayed in any particular sequence. जब हमारी लिस्ट का कोई भी सीक्वेंस नहीं है, हम ए को पहले शो कर सकते हैं, बी को बाद में शो कर सकते हैं, बी को पहले या ए को बाद में शो कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरह की लिस्ट को क्रिएट करने के लिए हम अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट का यूज़ करते हैं. The list begin with UL tag and ends with UL/tags respectively. It indents each of item in a list and add a bullet against each of them. Means ये जो अनऑर्डर लिस्ट होते हैं ये मेनली हमारा शो होता है बुलेट्स के साथ. The li tag that is used to display both ordered and unordered list both. The second list is ordered list. Ordered list is used to display the list of items in a specific order. An ordered list and indents and gives a number to each item in the list. So that's why this is known as numbered list. The list begins and ends with OL tag and OL with /tag respectively. Ordered lists are mostly used in a situation where the order of items is significant or where it is required to keep a count on a number of list items. For example, recipe, the steps are not demonstrated orderly. The end result would not be as desired. As you can see, here is the example of ordered list in which we are using numbers, and here is the examples of unordered list that there is no sequence is compulsory. Benefits of positive attitude, we can write any one of the following on the top and any one of the following from the last top. Okay, the next topic is tables. Tables are extremely popular on the web because they are flexible and help in representing data in an in an attractive manner in the form of rows and columns. जब हम rows and columns के form में data को represent करते हैं, so this is known as table. Present information or data in a comprehensive manner, make a comparative analysis of data. Information is easier to read and quicker to evaluate. Let us have a look at the various terms that define a table. For the creating a table, we should know some different terms: a row and a column, which makes a table. Row is a group of horizontal cells. जो हमारी horizontal cells होती हैं उनके ग्रुप को हम row कहते हैं. Vertical cells के ग्रुप को हम column कहते हैं. Again I am repeating a word cell. So cell is an intersection of row and column. जहाँ हमारी row और column एक दूसरे को intersect करती हैं, this make a cell. Caption. A caption provides a short description of the table. Heading are special cells that act as a table depicting the type of information in each column. Now, how can we create a table in HTML? To creating a table in HTML, we will use table tag. Is that clear? And this tag is used with / then it is end of the table. So this was your chapter, boys and girls. You have to read it again, and then after we will discuss the practical of this chapter in the last turn. Till then, have a nice day and keep practicing.